Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over my current market outlook that I do expect to play out over the next few months. Right now, there are a myriad of factors affecting not only the cryptocurrency market, but the global markets overall. In this video, I will be discussing what those factors are, as well as taking a look at the price charts and highlighting the key levels that you need to know about, because I do expect them to be hit here in the future. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap to get our bearings straight. Right now, the overall market cap is $1.3 trillion. Bitcoin is trading just below $30,000 at 29.8K. ETH is trading just above $2,000. Now the top 10 is relatively the same, besides of course Terra Luna, which is still trading over here in the top 50. Luna right now has a market cap of $2.3 billion. Right now it is up 130% on the day. A lot of people are taking gambles at Luna right now, buying it because it has dropped so low. But it's very important to understand that the supply of Luna has hyperinflated, up to 6.5 trillion Luna tokens in circulation right now. So this is a pure gamble. If you are looking to speculate on the price of Luna and enter into a position, understand that there really is no edge if you're buying Luna right here. And here at Crypto Empire, I always advocate trading with an edge, investing with an edge at all moments of time. Trading is not gambling. You need to exercise proper risk management, position sizing, and enter into the market with a position of strength. If you're buying Luna right now, it is a pure gamble and it is not an edge whatsoever. So I don't necessarily recommend that. But of course, you can do whatever you do please. Some people today made a lot of money because they bought Luna last night and it pumped today. But this is pure speculation, and in reality, it's just gambling. So moving on, we can see that the crypto fear and greed index right now is at a 10 in extreme fear. For the past month, crypto has been extremely fearful. So retail has lost a lot of faith in the market. Retail sentiment is extremely low. Retail liquidity is extremely low in the market. And of course, they have lost trust because of what happened recently with the collapse of Terra Luna. On top of that, the Fed will continue to raise interest rates. Inflation is really only set to get worse, and there are global supply chain issues, which is causing global demand to slow down, and corporate earnings next season will be lower as a result. So all of these are extremely bearish factors for cryptocurrency. Personally speaking, I do not think that $25,200 is the bottom down here. I do think that we will have more downside. Let's get into that right now. So looking on the daily price chart, as you can see, we do have that high up here just above 40K that did form back here on May 4th. And from then it has been down only in the market. From that point, it is down to current price 25%. To the low, we corrected 36% from that local high up here at $40,000. Now, right now, I expect a range-bound consolidated price action environment. We had a huge drop right here. And I think now after this period of high volatility, we will have a period of low volatility with no real direction. This is a clear direction move downwards. I expect some consolidation now. Now, in terms of the consolidation range, as you can see, I do have my lines, my levels marked out on the price charts. We have the low down here at 25K. That is the low of the consolidation range. And the high of the range is, in my opinion, up here at 35K. I think we're going to be experiencing choppy price action where price will be consolidating between $35,000 and $25,000, non-directional volatility. Here in the short term, if I drop this down to a 1 hour chart, we can go ahead and see that price has been using this downtrend line as support over here on its way down, went ahead and broke through right here on the 9th of May. And now this line has been used as resistance. Price obviously still using it as resistance right here. If we do get a breakout here and see price pump upwards, we have a big level at 32,500. This is the local high, as you can see over here. So this could be a potential short trade here in the relative short term. Of course, I will be updating my Discord about that. Nonetheless, we can go ahead and see that 32,500 is a key level on the chart, as well as right here, $30,750. So that is short-term price action, but in this video, I'll be sharing with you, like I said, my overall market sentiment that I do expect to play out over the next few months. And here, I'm expecting a range-bound consolidated environment between 35 and 25K before the next leg down lower. Now, what are the main levels on the chart that I expect to get hit on the next leg down lower? Well, let's zoom out to a weekly price chart. Here on the weekly, we can go ahead and see. By the way, the Bitcoin price is at the same price level from December of 2020. So really, we've gone up to as high as 69K, but we're right back where we were December 2020, really at just the start of the peak of the bull market. So we have made a major retrace, and we are at the bottom, as you can see, of this range here. With all of the bearish factors that I did just mention, I don't expect the support down here to hold. It already was pierced once down to as low as 25K. Now on the weekly, we do have the previous all-time high from the 2017 bull market at 20K. And that is obviously a clear demand zone on the chart. So this is your first level to look out for. After we're done chopping around and price does make its next leg down lower, 20K is the main level. And then after that, we do have a pretty big level over here at $12,000 on Bitcoin. And it's very possible, I would not count it out, that we do get these price levels tested. It could just be a short while. It could just be a wick down there. Could happen in a day. But this is a level that you need to have marked on your chart. I personally am placing some limit orders down here at 12K for Bitcoin, just in case we do see a huge flush out, move lower, and a test of the $12,000 price level. So just to summarize everything that I just said, I expect a range-bound, choppy, consolidated environment between $25,000 and $35,000 on Bitcoin. One big range over here. And then I ultimately do expect the next leg down lower to 20K. I would expect a pretty big bounce over here, creating a lower high and then another downtrend, wave down, possibly testing as low as $12,000 for Bitcoin. So in this video, I went over my cryptocurrency market outlook on what I expect to play out over the next few months. A bottom does not form in a few days or a few weeks. A bottom is formed over time, and it comes at the point of max pain when everybody gives up, when retail does capitulate. Right now, that is not the case. I do expect more downside. And of course, with the current stance of the Federal Reserve, that is very bearish overall. So with all this being said, all these factors at play, I'm expecting lower price levels for Bitcoin over the coming months. So there is no rush to jump back into the market right now, in my opinion. However, I want to hear from you now. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like. And if you're new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.